Hello, welcome to the Gadabout Dad. I'm here today with Charlie. We've just jumped a taxi. We're on our way to the Dubai frame. As you can see, that frame is absolutely massive. It frames the old and the new town. You come to this little kiosk.
2 tickets, please.
You buy your tickets. Come with us as we explore what's in the Dubai frame. Very handily, as you enter the path to walk up to the frame, they have one of these water machines. You bring your water, you pop it under, you then put your hand underneath and the water automatically comes out. You don't need to touch anything, it's all sensor operated. When it's full, take it away and off you go. Shake, rattle and roll is showing you exactly what to do. There's a short walk up to the frame, we're just going to take that short walk now. It's an absolutely massive, imposing building. I think it's just an observation deck, but I'm not 100% sure, so we find out when we get there. It was roughly 52 dirham to get in, which is about £10.40. It's not too bad. Well, I'm saying it's not too bad. I don't know what it's going to be yet. But we're heading up there. Let's go and have a look. It is boiling here in Dubai, but it is summer. As I say, summer seems to keep the crowds low. Low crowds means less waiting around for things, so I quite like that. I do love the heat. I'm not sure if I love this heat that much. It's bearable. It's actually, when you're walking around, it's quite windy, so it isn't too bad. So this is the view, how high up the frame goes. It's absolutely massive. It frames the old and the new. There's a bit of controversy about this. If you look online, the person who designed it reckons his design was stolen. Bit of controversy. We've travelled down from Al Seif. It's 20 dirham. It's about £4 in a taxi. This place is absolutely huge. There's a VIP section. We're not coming in the VIP section. We just pay bog standard price. I don't think you need VIP. The place is not exactly what you'd call full of hustle and bustle. Let's go in. So we've stepped back in time. There's like a little museum as you come in, and Charlie feels right at home in here. This is where his ancestors lived. See, that could have been Charlie a few years ago. On the bottom floor, until you head up to the lift, we've got this exhibition area, and this is showcasing the cultural, environmental and engineering changes in Dubai over the years. So we've stepped back in time. Reminds me of Al Seif. Dubai in 1960. There wasn't very much at all. What Dubai used to be like. Is that a hotel? Dubai Airport 1960. Things were very different then. There's lots to see and do. True. Is it a turret? Just taking the lift up to the top of the frame. That was the past, and we're about to enter the present. Oh, I get it. Past, present. I wonder if future's on the other side. We'll find out very soon. Here we are on top of the frame. Some more amazing views. The top floor of the frame. Just look at that view. So this glass floor has very special properties. I'll show you now. Or just flipped on and off. That's amazing. That is totally amazing. I can't believe it. That's so good. It just flicks on and off. So you can see the edge of the frame. That's where we've just come up. Oh, I think I found the trick. You have to keep walking on it to see underneath. That is amazing. Totally love that. Go on, Charlie. That's amazing. Love it, love it, love it. There are some amazing views from up here at the top of the frame. It's supposed to frame the old and the new. I'm not quite sure which side represents the old and which represents the new. It all looks fairly modern to me. I can imagine in peak season this gets incredibly busy, but for now it's not too bad at all. Look at all those people down there, and you can get a good view of the fountain. Love it. Lovely views are here at the top of the frame, outside into the city. I can see the Burj Khalifa in the distance. Doesn't look too far away. Of course, if you get up here and you're a little bit peckish, they do have a pastry stand, sell wraps as well. I'm assuming they sell drinks. Oh, I can see a Cookie Monster pastry, Minions, Labubu. Labubu's everywhere. Happy Face Burger. Things you thought you'd never hear yourself say, number 48. Charlie, show me your Labubu. There's Charlie's Labubu. So we look at the sensor. Sensor's there, stand underneath the sensor, and the floor opens up and you can see all the way to the bottom of the frame. Absolutely loving this. Do love it up here. With a floor that changes colour. Just on our way down, this lift is going really, really fast. I'm not quite sure what we'll see at the bottom. Is there anything at the bottom? We'll find out very soon. There we go, we're in the future, we're in 2050. So the frame sort of encompasses the past, the present and the future. What a brilliant idea. This room's making my head spin. So we're in a room with a very much domed view. What they think Dubai will be like in the year 2050. And then we're back out at the front. The Dubai frame is inspired by the golden ratio, which is related to Fibonacci's sequence. So the Dubai frame follows Fibonacci's sequence. How cool? Well, it's cool to me because I'm a maths teacher, but there you go. The most aesthetically pleasing of all proportions, the golden ratio, based on the Fibonacci spiral. They do love a modern sculpture here in Dubai, particularly moving ones. Look at this. Once you finish the tour, you finish off in a gift shop. They wanted to charge us 100 dirhams, or roughly £20 per photo. Thankfully we've taken enough of our own. Lots of stuff here should you wish to have a memory. That's Fibonacci spiral again. I've got my memories all included in this. Well, that was our time with the frame. I had an absolutely wonderful time. I loved it, Charlie loved it, highly recommended. If you get a chance, if you're ever down Dubai way, get yourself off to the frame, have a look around for yourself. I'm really having to stretch to fit the whole thing in. We were up there 5 minutes ago, all the way up the top. Bye for now.